Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I'm standing in again to show you all a quick pasta recipe that's going to be with Parmesan cheese, lemon, a little bit of garlic and fresh thyme. So it's a very simple pasta recipe and it literally takes about 15 minutes to put together. So I'm just going to kick off by showing you what ingredients we're going to use. Firstly, we're going to need pasta, spaghetti, or like I've got here, this is a linguine type pasta that will just soak up the sauce very nicely. Some extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of salt to salt the pasta water, a lemon, 50 grams of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and then some fresh thyme that my mom got from her garden. And then we had some Parmesan cheese that we had left over from the risotto recipe I did the other day, and then I'm gonna quickly use that. Also some salt and pepper just to taste. So to start off, I've already got my water boiling for the pasta. I'm just gonna throw in about half of this 500 grams of pasta, so that's about 250 grams of pasta. Should feed between it should feed between 3 to 4 people. And then to the boiling water, I'm just going to add the salt for the pasta, so the pasta gets salted, and then I'm also just going to add in just a dash of olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick. Okay, now that I've got my pasta on the stove and boiling, it will take between 8 and 10 minutes because it's dry pasta. We'll quickly melt the butter and make the sauce that's going to go with the pasta. So I'll add my butter to the pan and let it start to melt. Okay, so while the butter is melting, I'll quickly crush my garlic. Okay, to my butter, I'm just going to add in this garlic and let it cook out for a little while, melted butter and the garlic, and just add in the thyme as well. So it's just making a herbed butter. Just turn the heat down so it doesn't burn. And then to this, I'll also add a little bit of lemon zest from the lemon that we got. Not too much. You don't want to overpower the flavors. And then the lemon that you used for the zest, cut it up and squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. So this is going to be a very strong lemon flavor. So you've got your lemon butter and garlic, and then to that just a little sprinkling of salt, and then a generous crack of black pepper, and then your sauce is almost ready. we'll just add in the pasta once the pasta is done. Okay, so how to check if your pasta is done? Just like the risotto rice, try a little bit as the easiest way. It's almost there, still a little bit more to go. I'm going to just turn my sauce off. Okay, now that my pasta is done, al dente, I'm just going to take it off the heat and drain it and then add it to my sauce. I've just drained the pasta out in the colander. It will still have some of the cooking water in it, and I'll just add it into the pan. And then mix it around with that butter and garlic and lemon and thyme that you had in your pan, and then add, this is about 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. So add the cheese in and then just give it a stir around. The heat from the pan and the cooked pasta will melt the cheese. And then what I like to do as well is just add a little bit of olive oil from the top. So it is a very rich pasta, but it's not a very heavy pasta, it's a light pasta. And there you go, guys, a very simple, quick and easy pasta dish that I just made now for lunch. And we'll have, must just give it a taste quickly. Check the salt and the salt and the pepper is all good. So there you go, simple and easy.